What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a really cool accessory that I'm excited for my Tesla Model 3. This is from our friends over at YESLAK. I've done a few videos on them recently and they have really amazing products. They can literally be your one-stop shop for anything aftermarket for a Tesla Model 3, your S, X, Y, even the Cybertruck. So be sure to go check them out at yeslak.com. Now, what we have in this cylindrical tube today is a product I've heard about on the market, but I haven't really seen in person, that is. We are going to have some color changing PPF for your headlights. Now, at nighttime, this is going to be clear for added visibility and safety, and during the daytime, when the sun is on it, it's going to go to a nice dark tinted color. I heard about this for window tint, and I thought about getting it, but it wasn't out at the time, or the shop didn't provide it, which was a bummer. But to have these for my headlights is going to be a nice little addition to my car. So let's go put these bad boys on. To get started, you are going to clean your headlight with the alcohol wipes provided, or you can use your own alcohol. Either way, just make sure it's super clean and rid of dust. Then I mix soap and water together in the little spray bottle provided, and you are going to want to generously apply this to the headlight, inside the film and outside of the film, which is going to allow your squeegee to move smoothly across the film as you apply it. It is recommended that you tack down the corners first. For me, this was trial and error, so just take your time and make sure you tack down your corners and be careful so that way you can stretch the film across the rest of your headlight. And a good rule of thumb that I used is I separated my headlight in half. So the upper side, I used the squeegee to get the water and the soap out. So I scraped upwards, and the bottom half I scraped downwards. Having to apply just this little piece of PPF film, I give credit to all the full body PPF installers out there, because for me this was tedious, and I can only imagine what you guys go through on a full car that has all these crazy shapes and curves. So I appreciate every single one of you for the work that you do. And once I was finished, I scraped the last bit of water to the edge, and I took a microfiber towel and wiped alongside the edges to get it a little bit dry. It's going to take some time, give it about 24 hours to fully cure onto the headlight. So the driver's side is finished. I think this looks pretty sick. Again, this was in the shade, so it's going to be lighter and more clear for added safety and visibility. The passenger side is just rinse and repeat. This one was in the sunlight, so you can see it is a little bit tinted, which is cool, and it's showing that the film actually tints when it's in the sunlight. Personally, I highly recommend getting some PPF on your headlights. If this is something you want, there's a discount code in the description below. Of course, I'd like to save y'all some money. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. Like always, be blessed, take care, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.